Yes. Pasensya sa boses ha. Medyo karagyan. Good morning everybody. Good morning, and I want to acknowledge the presence ng NGCP team from Customer Affairs Department to SCADA EMS, System Integration and Network Telecom Division, plus Metering, and System Impact. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. For the overview and update of our projects in Butuan, as we see, our engineering is provided by Power China from Fujian, and procurement and construction will be engaged joint venture partners of Mobi Solar and Longneng. Good morning to your team. And the project delivery includes the civil works, electrical installation, grid intersection facilities, interconnection facilities, testing and commissioning. Next one. Okay. For the implementation team, as you will interested to visit our site, you will meet me as our construction manager 24/7. I'm available anytime you want. We can entertain and give you the updates. And Civil Engineer Christopher Rayon also on site, and Mr. Emmanuel Palacio was an electrical engineer here. For project management, other corpus unfortunately is not available. You can call them anytime you need and have discussion. And Rose Alcabinpin is incoming now as a planning engineer, and Ira Delwan, our document controller, in presence of Ms. May.
Next slide.
Okay, for the current project construction status, for site development work, PSC pile driving, drainage and flood control mitigation works, procurement and logistics. For site development, we managed to clear and tackle the softness and unmobility area due to this previously sa rice field. So we get in touch with the community with the help of our engineers and technology. So we managed to complete and not complete. We managed to stabilize the area. So the mobility and construction is okay now. But still, we are compliant. We didn't violate any environmental in drying this area. We didn't spray any chemicals. We just continue dripping and sucking this water on the drip point going to the outfall. Same thing on PHC pile driving for foundations. We are now on progress on the substation area. And in fact, at the moment we are talking now, discussing this one, we are in concreting for the main power transformer and the firewall. And we already complete also these box transformers, the core transformer for the PV area. And the same thing, we are not violating any community relations condition as stated on Department of Energy. We are not, we are abiding the rules that until only 6 to 7 o'clock in the night, we are working on pile driving to not to disturb the resting time of our community around. So we stop on 7 o'clock, so we are allow them to, they allow us to 7 o'clock and we stop it for them to rest. We are not violating any. For drainage and flood control mitigation program, we are not only look into our site, we also look on the community that their drainage system is connected to our temporary UDICH going to flood control. So in order not to block their domestic water and rainwater coming from the community, so we drain this one and then so also flow directly to the river. So again, we didn't have any violation or we follow our rules of completing and constructing the PB farm in accordance with the Department of Energy and DNR. For procurement and logistics of major equipment, we have already 3 equipment is ready for installation at the Cagayan Port. These 2 core transformer, which is the box of 20-footer container, is scheduled to install by 23 of this month, and the main transformer is scheduled also by 16 or 17 of April. So hopefully that whether at that time, because this main transformer is installed by skid and not by lifting. So we are hoping that the weather here will be favorable on that day. For the major equipment, our PB modules is completely delivered in our warehouse, contained and controlled. Inverters also delivered on site, protected and sealed. Transformers, as I said, there is a 2 core transformer, main transformer already on Cagayan Port, waiting for our signal to deliver. Transmission line we already tapped and coordinating with the numerous number of contractors locally here in Butuan for assurance that they have the compliance and accepted by your team, plus this government requirements NC2 and training required, plus that third-party certificate for their tools and equipment. So we hope that these 2 contractors, each of one of them will comply and accept our offer to do this transmission line. And materials is we can order and we can deliver it on time. Next one. Showing on our photo the PV structure and the delivery of inverter protected on our project site. Next. On top is the delivery of PV modules. That is on a warehouse 1, contained and controlled location. Below is a box transformer pad foundation number 1 at site 1 of PV farm. We are ready. We are just completing the gratings around the steel structure, ensuring the protection of those manpower who will support for the delivery of box transformer. And we schedule this one on 23rd of this month. Next. The top photo is our PV park that is, this one is a little bit late. We prepared the presentation 5 days ago. As you will see in actual location now, if I may invite you, you will see now the structure and golden table. The gold table is already been prepared, and you can give your comment and suggestion so we can adapt your expertise on this one. Below is a box transformer pad number 2. You will see the gratings around the structure. This one is stepping for our workers and technicians who will install and set the box transformer on 23. This will be complete prior to arrival on 23rd. Next one. Here is what I said. Main transformer foundation. I told you this one 5 days ago. Prepared the photo. Today, at the moment, I'm expecting the arrival of 2 transit mixer to be concreted our main transformer foundation and firewall beside this main transformer. And hoping by 16 or 18 of April, the equipment you can see on site with complete preservation on as required. Next one. Okay. See the project milestone until June 2026. Hoping And yes, no, it's not hoping. We are working on this. From project mobilization to construction phase and grid interconnection work. We are still on track as per this milestone schedule. So, a part of it, I'm asking or appealing your support for some documentation and submittal and certificate coming from your side for the testing and commissioning and target commercial operation date. We will be in close coordination and submittal of your requirements, whatever you are required from us for energization and for Picachi as Gen.
Yung presentation na naman.
That's all for my part. Thank you very much. If you have anything, I'll be sitting in this corner. You can take me.
Yung kay...
Thank you, Sir Jude.